A fresh morning starts with a perfect cup of tea. It's the little, thoughtful choices we make that turn ordinary moments into something extraordinary. This January, upgrade your tea ritual with the best tea kettles of 2025. Designed for durability, speed, and elegance, these kettles don't just boil water. They bring warmth, comfort, and a touch of joy to every sip. At Mr. Home Product, we believe every home deserves the best. That's why we're here to guide you in selecting products that make life easier, brighter, and more fulfilling. Because every small effort you make leads to a happier, more peaceful day. Don't miss out on more inspiration and honest reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Home Product. Together, let's make every moment count.